National Current Affairs. Who was the Secretary to the Constituent Assembly? S.N. Mukherjee, H.V.R. Iyengar, B.N. Rao. The correct answer is H.V.R. Iyengar. The Secretary to the Constituent Assembly, H.V.R. Iyengar, the Chief Draftsman of the Constitution in the Constituent Assembly is S.N. Mukherjee. First interim chairman of the Constituent Assembly, Sachidananda Sinha. The first interim chairman of the Constituent Assembly, Sachidananda Sinha. The symbol seal of the Constituent Assembly is the elephant. The Constituent Advisor, legal advisor to the Constituent Assembly is Sir B.N. Rao. The first elected president of the Constituent Assembly is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Thank you for watching.